Someone has asked me if there's any way they could hear me speaking English. All I can say is, it is already hard for me to speak in Tagalog. Since we don't speak our national language here, we only speak our own dialect. In response to my viewers' request, I'm going to speak English for the entire video, and let's see if I won't end up letting my nose bleed. And for today's video, I am going to share to you the mess in my garden. The sudden removal of the UV plastic here results to this mess. And as you can see, my succulents have burned. It has been cooked with the sun. They are soaking wet right now. And there's no way of fixing or treating some of them, especially with this brave here. This is Echeveria brave and it's very rotten. I don't know if this could produce some pups, but I'll try to remove the sunburned succulents in this area and try to let them produce some pups. This couldn't have happened if only they were acclimatized before being exposed to the sun, to the extreme heat. But I am not able to acclimatize them since it is so sudden that my husband removed the UV plastic in here. This is Vivian. Luckily the babies are fine since this one is covered with a mom. The head of the mother. The head of a rosette of a mother. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah. The baby is saved. But still, I'm going to remove this from that area and put them here. The aloe is damaged. It is so sad. The sun really hurts them that bad. Oh, and this one, Pendoco, is also damaged. You see that? There's no way of fixing this, and although I am positive that this will still produce some offsets, and I will be able to save some propagations of this one. I don't know if this can survive. Aloe spotlight. I only have one of these and it's so sad. I'm able to grow this bigger and this happens. Look at the leaves. It has been cooked and yeah, you can pop it. Wait. Yeah. I don't know if I can still save some of this. I'll try to remove the leaves later, the damaged leaves, and observe if this one can still survive and give support for the plant in order for this one to give some pups. I'm just hoping that the roots are not damaged entirely or the stem. So I already placed all of the damage here in the shade and they really don't look that good. Of course they won't. And I put them here except the cryptanthus because those cryptanthus have experienced sunburn before, but they were able to recover. I just let them from where they are placed before, and I am doing the same way now. So maybe when I get back, I'm going to rearrange them and try to see if what are those plants that I'm going to throw and put in the garbage. Yeah, and this one has totally rotted. and I am not able to save any of this one. Yeah, but these are fine. It's fine. It's my negligence and no one is to blame. I don't blame anybody. This could happen anytime and this will be charged into experience. Luckily, I'm a bit surprised that some of them survives, especially with this one horseshoe. This one is doing fine, as well as the ghost plant and the ghost tea there. Yeah, and many others actually. So even with a sudden exposure of sunlight, horseshoe can survive. I also have here the variegated chroma, which I saved the other day, and yeah, she's deteriorating, but I hope she will recover being here in the shade. So that was it for today's video, and hope you enjoyed watching, and I think this will be the last one that I'm going to speak English for the entire video. See you in the next one. Keep growing.